Top 15 Shopify apps you need to install to boost your sales in 2021. Shopify apps are tools that are specially designed to help retailers running e-commerce businesses with Shopify. There are hundreds of apps designed to help online store owners easily set up stores, optimize sales, manage their customer base, and grow their businesses. However, the problem has always been finding the right app that fits a business model. Some of these apps, although helpful, are difficult to use. For this list, we have compiled 15 of the best apps store owners can easily integrate to boost their sales in 2021. 1. Serve. Communication has always been an integral part of sales, and Serve gives shop owners an unparalleled virtual experience with their customers. With Serve, shop owners can now communicate with their customers virtually with an in-real-life experience. With Serve, you can create and sell virtual events over Zoom, one-to-one booking slots, in-store appointments, recording products and much more. 2. Sales notification. Are you looking to increase sales on your Shopify website using customized notifications? Then, this is one of the best app available to you. With sales notification, you can encourage visitors to your online store to make purchases through sales notifications. 3. OptinMonster. OptinMonster is one of the best lead generation plugin available to online retailers. It simplifies the creation of dynamic campaigns, floating bars, spin, and win campaigns, and pop-ups. 4. Facebook Chat, Live Chat. Facebook Chat is a live chat app that allows online retailers to connect their e-commerce stores with their Facebook profiles for better communication with customers. 5. Oberlo. In one click, shop owners can now import dropshipping products using Oberlo. Store owners can now pick dropshipping products, customize them, and add the products to their shops on the same day using Oberlo's virtual warehouse. 6. Free Persistent Cart App. The Free Persistent Cart App is an easy, fully automatic, one-time installation app designed to help Shopify store owners increase their sales. 7. Omnisend. Omnisend is an upgrade to the regular email marketing plugins for Shopify. With Omnisend, store owners can create robust automation workflows that can be added and sent via various channels including SMS, Facebook, WhatsApp, push notifications, emails, and more. 8. Product reviews. Product reviews will display reviewed items on an online shop, a feature which helps online buyers make their decision. 9. Smileio Rewards. One proven way to grow a business is to have customers always returning, and that's the reason why Smileio Rewards was designed. 10. Plug-in SEO. While campaigning and advertising is undoubtedly a great way of increasing sales, more often than not, the process is not well optimized. With plug-in SEO, shop owners can now check the ranking of their SEO contents, fix and optimize these contents to get higher rankings for better sales. 11. Trust. Trust solves the problem of the insecurity customers feel when they visit your store for the first time. 12. Kit. As a customer base grows, it becomes more difficult for a small online retailer to keep up with the demands of customers and marketing campaigns. 13. Drip. Drip is another marketing tool online retailers can connect to Shopify for market automation. With this tool, store owners can monitor what customers do in their store. 14. Instafeed. A great way to keep the contents of your online store fresh is by using your Instagram. With Instafeed, you can now automatically share your Instagram feed with your store. 15. Sales Countdown Timer. The use of a countdown timer is a simple and effective way of keeping buyers on their toes whenever they visit your store. These apps are designed to bring more users to your customer base, not keep them away. Download Serve app from Shopify Marketplace today or visit serve.ai for more information.